Welcome to our tutorial on how to request your SARS notices on the SARS online query system. Getting your important SARS documents online is faster and easier than ever before. Forget long queues, SOQS puts official notices at your fingertips. To begin, visit the SARS website. Scroll down and click SARS Online Query System. Then click the SARS Notices button. Capture name and surname. Capture the ID number or passport number. Capture the tax number. Next, choose the type of notice you want to request. Notice of assessment, statement of account, notice of registration, penalty statement of account. Then capture the year if required and click Verify Me. Choose SMS or email to get your OTP. Enter the last 6 digits of the OTP. Then click Submit. The document you requested is ready for download and can be viewed after downloading. Click to download the notice in PDF. Open the PDF document to view the notice. SARS, at your service.